They tell you the game is rigged. They tell you the rich get richer and everyone else struggles. They tell you to save, to invest in the old ways, to trust the system. But what if I told you they're hiding something? A secret so powerful, so disruptive, it could fundamentally shift the balance of wealth in our lifetime. A convergence of two technologies so profound, it's creating millionaires right now, in plain sight, while the mainstream media distracts you with noise. This isn't about Bitcoin. This isn't about meme coins. This is about something far deeper, far more revolutionary. It's the silent revolution brewing at the intersection of artificial intelligence and cryptocurrency. And once you see it, once you understand it, you can't unsee it. Your financial future will never look the same. For decades, the financial world has been dominated by institutions with access to cutting-edge technology, supercomputers, and algorithms that predict market movements with chilling accuracy. They have the data, the speed, the insights. You, the average investor, are left to react, to follow the news, to buy high and sell low. It's a game designed for them to win and for you to lose. You're playing chess against a supercomputer with a blindfold on. But what if that supercomputer could be on your side? What if the very tools that have kept the elite ahead could now be democratized? What if the power of predictive analytics, lightning-fast execution, and unbiased data processing was no longer exclusive to the privileged few? This is the promise that's emerging right now, as AI meets crypto. Artificial intelligence isn't just about chatbots or self-driving cars anymore. In the world of crypto, AI is becoming the ultimate weapon for financial freedom. Imagine an AI that can analyze billions of market data points in milliseconds, identifying patterns no human could ever see, predicts subtle market shifts and sentiment changes before they become obvious, optimize trading strategies with surgical precision, executing trades at speeds impossible for humans, sift through thousands of obscure projects to identify the true hidden gems before they explode. This isn't science fiction. This is happening. But the real secret isn't just that AI can do this. The secret is how it's being integrated into the decentralized, permissionless world of cryptocurrency, creating opportunities that the traditional financial gatekeepers simply cannot control or suppress. So why now? Why is this convergence suddenly so powerful? Because both technologies have matured to a critical point. AI has become sophisticated enough to handle the immense, complex, and often chaotic data of the crypto markets. And blockchain technology has evolved to provide the secure, transparent, and decentralized infrastructure that AI needs to operate without central control. This isn't just about making money. This is about power. It's a power to bypass the middlemen, to access information equally, to participate in a financial system that is truly open to everyone. Your traditional financial world thrives on asymmetry of information. They thrive on keeping you in the dark. But AI, combined with crypto, is shining a light into every corner, exposing opportunities that were once reserved for the elite. And they don't want you to know this, because when you know, you become a threat to their control. This isn't just theoretical. Real projects are already building this future, creating tangible opportunities. Let me give you a few examples of how AI is already making people rich in crypto. Project example 1. Decentralized AI computing, for example. Render token, a cash network concept. Imagine a network where anyone can contribute their computing power to train AI models and get paid in crypto. Or where AI developers can access vast decentralized computing resources without relying on centralized tech giants. This is creating a new economy where the value of AI is distributed, not hoarded. Project example 2, AI-powered data marketplaces, for example. Ocean protocol concept. What if your personal data, or valuable market data, could be tokenized and sold securely, with AI ensuring fair pricing and privacy? This empowers individuals and businesses to monetize their data, cutting out the data brokers who profit from your information without your consent. Project example 3, AI for trading and analytics, for example. Fetch.ai concept. Autonomous AI agents that can learn, adapt, and execute complex trading strategies on decentralized exchanges. These aren't just simple bots. They're intelligent systems that can react to market conditions faster and more efficiently than any human. This levels the playing field, giving the average investor tools once only available to hedge funds. These are just a few glimpses. The landscape is evolving rapidly, and new projects are emerging every day, each leveraging AI to unlock unprecedented value in the crypto space. So how do you get in on this? How do you leverage this AI crypto secret to potentially make yourself rich? It's not about blindly buying whatever's hyped. It's about understanding the fundamentals and positioning yourself strategically. Here's your roadmap. Educate yourself. Dive deep into the projects that combine AI and crypto. Understand their technology, their use cases, their teams, and their long-term vision. Don't just look at price charts. Look at white papers, developer activity, and community engagement. Identify real problems. Focus on projects that are using AI to solve genuine pressing problems in the crypto space or in the real world. Avoid projects that are just slapping AI onto a meme coin. Look for innovation. Seek out projects with truly novel approaches, not just incremental improvements. The biggest gains come from disruptive technologies. Consider long-term potential. While short-term gains are exciting, the real wealth is built by investing in projects with sustainable models and strong long-term growth prospects. Manage risk. This is still a volatile market. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Diversify your portfolio. Always do your own research. This is not financial advice, but a guide to understanding a powerful emerging trend. The power is shifting. Tools are becoming available to everyone. The question is, will you seize this moment? Let's talk about why they don't want you to know this. The established powers, the banks, the centralized tech giants, the traditional financial gatekeepers thrive on control. They thrive on obscurity. They thrive on being the sole custodians of information and opportunity. AI, when unleashed on decentralized networks, threatens their very foundation. It democratizes access to wealth-generating tools. It exposes inefficiencies. It empowers the individual. This is why you won't hear about this on mainstream news. This is why they'll try to dismiss it as a fad, or too complicated or too risky. They want you to stay in the dark, playing by their rules, while they quietly accumulate the future. But the truth is out. The opportunity is here. The window for early adoption for truly life-changing gains is open. But it won't stay open forever. The smart money is already moving. Are you going to be left behind, or are you going to be part of the revolution? This is your chance. The AI crypto convergence is not just a technological marvel, it's a financial paradigm shift. It's the secret weapon that can level the playing field. It's giving you the power to build true wealth and secure your financial future. Don't let fear or misinformation hold you back. Let's dive into this space, research the projects, understand the potential. The links to resources and examples are in the description below. And if this video opened your eyes, if it sparked a fire within you, then smash that like button, subscribe to Crypto Knowledge 05, and hit the notification bell. Because we're just getting started on uncovering the secrets of the new digital economy.